Perfect your proofreading. The power of pausing. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of proofreading. One of the most effective techniques is reading aloud, and a crucial subtopic under that is pausing at punctuation marks. By mastering this, not only will your reading become more rhythmic and natural, but your comprehension will skyrocket. So, let's get started. When you read aloud, pausing at punctuation marks serves multiple purposes. 1. Clarity. It helps in clearly conveying the meaning of a sentence. 2. Emphasis. Pausing can add emphasis to the message, ensuring the listener understands the significance. 3. Breathing. Especially for longer sentences, pausing allows you to breathe and maintain a natural rhythm. Remember, a sentence without pauses is like music without beats. It loses its charm and clarity. Let's explore how to pause at various punctuation marks. Period. This marks the end of a sentence. Take a slightly longer pause, allowing the listener to digest the information. Comma indicates a smaller break within a sentence. Take a brief pause, almost like taking a quick breath. Question mark and exclamation mark. These are strong punctuations. Pause as you would for a period, but also adjust your tone to match the emotion or query. Colon, smiley face, and semicolon, winking face. These punctuations indicate a related idea as following. Pause for a moment, but it's slightly shorter than the one after a period. Parentheses. Information within parentheses is additional. Pause before and after to emphasize that this content is separate but related. Practicing these pauses will make your reading sound more natural and also help in understanding the structure and meaning of sentences. 1. Practice. Like any skill, practice makes perfect. Regularly read aloud and consciously pause at each punctuation. 2. Visualize. Think of punctuation marks as stop signs on a road. Just as you'd pause or slow down your car, do the same while reading. 3. Feel the rhythm. Engage with the text emotionally. Feel its rhythm, and let that guide your pausing. 4. Feedback. If possible, get someone to listen as you read. Their feedback will help you refine your pauses. And there you have it. The art of pausing at punctuation marks can greatly enhance your proofreading skills when reading aloud. It's not just about finding errors but understanding and conveying the depth and nuances of the text. We hope this video helps you in your English language journey. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy reading!